Just a small something from from today morning. What happened? Yeah, I was on my way. I was driving to a place to go jogging, and I reached a fork. And I was thinking which way to go, and I felt like the spiritual background there. I felt like maybe I should just let life decide which way to go. Yeah. And then I realized that even though I felt like this, there's actually some subtle conditioning. There is my ego, which really wants something else. Even though I say that I won't let life decide, subtly there is things that that I want in a certain way, and that is where the confusion is really coming in. Yeah. I think you're going to say something.
No, say more. It's very joyful to hear you.
And then I had this clarity that really it is to let go. The secret sauce is really to let go, and there things will become clear. Yeah. So today in the question you opened up also, what do we really want? What do I really want from satsang? Also, it felt like this. I thought that the right word is not coming. Not a controversial. Something that is kind of opposite of each other. That for me to really get what I want from satsang, I have to let go of everything, including that. It felt like that, And it felt so beautiful that you also just a few minutes back, you also mentioned about letting go, So.
Actually, this letting go has to be really understood very, very well. Otherwise, the first thing that we want to do is that I want to let go of my bike, car, scooter, That is not letting go really. Let that be there. That makes no difference really. Letting go of the body or anything makes no difference really. The fundamental letting go is letting go of the demand to change anything. That is letting go. Letting things be the way they are. That is letting go. And still you are not closed like, I don't want to see. No, you are very present. Well, all right, let me face what is the truth of this moment inside me. I am not saying that loving towards it, I accept the life as it is. No, that is again something, to be aware of. So there is a natural inside us. There is a persistent sense of closedness, like this. Being aware of it, and that somehow you become kind of relaxed like this. That's letting go, One beautiful thing I want to bring here, which I think maybe you can read the message, or I think this last day I shared this message.
These are words from Osho. Surrender is not something that you can do. If you do it, it is not surrender, because the doer is there. Surrender is a great understanding that I am not.
Read more.
This is from Osho, the Heart Sutra.
The Heart Sutra. Heart Sutra is by Buddha, actually, Like Diamond Sutras, in the same way, yes, Heart Sutra also. So surrender is a great understanding. Surrender is the same as letting go, So letting go is a great understanding that I am not. What you will let go now? And who will do that? Surrender or letting go is a clear seeing in this moment, which can begin by decision to meet the truth of this moment as it is. That's what I call being present, by the way. Being present as I am, with everything as it is. Hey, there is a contraction here, there is a confusion here, there is a feeling here. Yes, all of it, all of it. And I know, Nishant, that it's not easy to do like this. Because we feel troubled by meeting how things are inside us right now. And when we feel troubled, it is because of misunderstanding we have about ourselves. As we become more and more clear about who we are, we feel less and less trouble in meeting how things are inside us. And what is life experience for us, if not meeting what happens inside us when we meet a life experience or situation, no? Do we really meet the life situation? We only meet what happens inside us, no? You know? Just felt like sharing with you. I hope some of you will understand something of part of it. So what do you feel? This is good for now?
It's very good, Raj. It's very good. Also, there is clarity that, letting go of things like, letting go of my car and things is not really connected to this. And actually, it makes it more difficult because if I let go of my car, then I have to work hard to buy another one.
Makes sense, really. Actually, what happens that mostly the being does not really want to give up the most valuable thing for it. Whatever is most valuable for it, it doesn't want to give up that. So it starts by giving up the least valuable car, for example, because you can buy another car, or if not, you can earn money by doing something. That is the cheapest thing for you, for the soul. What is most valuable is the very core attachment you have for. You have to find out for what. Everybody has core attachment for something which is connected to living of life, actually. Which is nothing but a misunderstanding, of course. You can live life much more when you know yourself. Or truly you can live your life only when you know yourself. Because knowing yourself does not demand that you should not experience your body now. No, absolutely not. It is totally false and nonsense. Another spiritual nonsense, no? In fact, you can I enjoy my cup of tea so much, and all the other bodily experiences so much more than before now, Because I am free. Free means I am not stressed, I am not full of stress now. I am kind of available more naturally and playfully and in a relaxed manner, no? Like this, everyone, no? You are also like this. So it's very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.